chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey guys, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and click that bell. Don't want you missing a video. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. And today's video is going to be a collab with my friend Mandi Hoffman. We both have the amazing Gourmande's Pressed Glitter and Matte palette. If I can get it open. It's so big, y'all. Like, it's so big. And I just got color. It's a great way to start a video. But I'm not complaining at all because, like I said, these things are huge. Like, these pans are huge. Bigger than my eyeball. Anyways, so we have not seen each other's looks. Well, obviously, because I'm just filming this. But anyways, the looks are going to be a surprise to each other, so I'm not going to insert a clip of hers. This is my second collab. If you missed the first one, it was uploaded last Friday, and it was with Bridget Snyder, our favorite characters from when we were a child, and that one was so much fun. It was so much fun. And this one I'm excited about as well. But we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm doing my eyes first today since I will be working with glitter. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with my Kylie Jenner concealer. I set it with Heaven from the Too Faced Natural Mattes palette. I will be using a couple of these shades just to transition, for my transition shades real quick. And let's just go ahead and do that real quick. This is just a brush from a palette that I got from, or my daughter got, and she gave it to me because she has two and she's so sweet. From a palette from Hush. It kind of reminds me of like the ones from the Naked palettes. But anyways, I'm just going to go in with Honey Butter and just pop that in the crease real quick. I'm going to zoom y'all in. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my next door neighbor's chickens. I do live in a small town in Arkansas, so we got chickens on one side, horses on the other, but I love it. And I love all of our neighbors. And we actually live beside my mom too, so that's really cool. Especially she's fixing to have full knee replacement surgery. So I'm happy that I'll be right here, you know. I can be there with her during the day and then come home at night, but I'm right there in case something happens. Now I'm going to go in with a chocolate cookie, and then after this I'm done with this palette. And I'm trying not to bring that one as high up as I did the other one. Kind of concentrating out here and then working it over. Getting it nice and blended. You know, I'm actually really digging this brush. Like, it's blending really well. Okay, now these shades are so pigmented, y'all. So go in with a light hand and build up because they're awesome. I'm sorry I'm not looking at you. I'm gonna zip right here. It's my woman time of the month. And my face just don't like me right now. Okay. I'm fixing to go in with that shade. But I am so excited because I have something coming in the mail. And it's a face mask. And it's supposed to be amazing. That's all I'm going to say. Somebody from the company emailed me and asked if I wanted to try it. So they sent it to me. And I cannot wait to use it. It's supposed to stop acne like dead in its tracks. So make sure you're subscribed so you can learn about that. But anyways, do y'all see this shade? How easy it's blending out. How beautiful it looks. And I'm so excited. Thanks to my friend Mandi, I found a new subscription box. It's Yes Oh Yes. Anyways, I've got it linked down below. And I ordered, and I'm waiting on that to come in because the eyeshadow palette looks amazing. It comes with 3 to 7 full-size products. I guess it just depends on like what the product is. And it looks really awesome. Alright, I'm going with a really big fluffy brush that don't have anything on it and blend on top. I'll go in with this maroonish shade right there. So I'm just going to go in with my Morphe G13 brush. And these brushes are awesome. But I'm just going to pack that down here. And then I'll blend out the edges. And I know I keep changing my background and stuff up, but I'm just trying to find what I feel works best for me. And I really liked the backdrop, but I mean, I went to Hobby Lobby and got all this stuff to decorate my room. So I was like, I gotta have it. The tree, I mean, I feel like the tree just made my videos, you know? Like, everybody always comments on the tree, so I couldn't get rid of it. And I moved my setup, my filming station and everything in front of the window. So I have the window open with the natural light, and I have a light here. So I don't know if that's gonna be too much. Y'all just bear with me. Like, I'm trying to find what works best. I am now going to go in with my Morphe B18 brush. I wish y'all could see the chickens running across the yard right now. It's so cute. Okay. Anyways, and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade in the middle. Now it's very pigmented, so I'm just lightly going in. I'm just focusing this literally in this outer corner, just a little bit. I don't want to take away from the maroonish shade, but I do want to deepen it up some. I'm going to go back in with that really fluffy brush and just make sure that the edges are blended out real well. I am going to go back with the Natural Matte palette to go in with Day. Again, I'm just going to use that to kind of highlight my brow bone a little bit. And I'm just going in, the hiccup, sorry. I'm just going in with this brush. It's from a BH Cosmetics. And it's from a Ashley Tisdale set. And I'm just highlighting. This is going to be an all matte look other than the glitter that we'll be using. And sometimes I don't even, I'm going to show y'all what this looks like with no glue, because sometimes I don't even use glue with these. Like, they just stick really well. Alright, now I'm just going to blend that. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this super dense packing brush. And this is just from a set I got from Tarte around Christmas. I feel like I'm losing my voice. And I'm going to go in with the pink shade. And pack that on my lid. And I'm just going to blend. This is what I'm going to put the glitter on top of. But I wanted to kind of give it a little color underneath. Now I'm going to go in with that like silver pressed glitter. And honestly, I'm just going in with my fingers. Y'all see this? And if I look really oily underneath my eyes, it's because I do have my face oil sitting underneath there, soaking up. I'm just going to kind of blend. I love this look, y'all. I love it. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup real quick off camera, and I'll be right back to let y'all know what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is with the rest of my makeup splashed on my face. And I really like the way it turned out. I feel like I'm losing my voice. And I have another one to film after this. Yay. And y'all don't look at this eyebrow. This eyebrow always gets me in trouble. Anyways. But now I've got another video to film. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you go check out Mandi's. I'm going to link her video in the cards, and I'm going to put her link in the description box. And time to head on over to her channel. I can't wait to see what she does. Okay, anyways, that is it for this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Toodles.